I, Avni Thakur,
And I, Tanishka Mohta,
welcome you all to the first part of the 6th phase of our Josephite News.
Today we are here to take you through the highlights of the eventful month of January, a month filled with learning, creativity and celebration.
As we step into the new year, we embrace new beginnings, fresh hopes and exciting opportunities. On behalf of the Josephite family, we extend our warmest wishes for a year full of success, happiness and growth.
The new year began with an important academic milestone, with the pre-board examinations for classes 10th and 12th, held from January 2nd to January 13th. These exams served as a crucial preparation step for the students, helping them gear up for their upcoming board examinations with confidence.
Literary activities were held for classes 9th and 11th on 9th of January. These activities included poster making, sketching, word art, speech competition, stand-up comedy and alphabet decoration, in which students showcased their incredible talent and artwork.
A special mention to Yellow House for securing first position, followed by Blue House in second position and Green House in third position.
Our talented Josephites brought colors to life through their incredible artwork, which was proudly exhibited in the art gallery during the parents-teacher meet.
Acknowledging the hard work and discipline of our NCC candidates, certificates were awarded to the students of classes 9 and 10 for their camp participation.
Notably, many students earned A-grade certificates, marking a significant achievement in their NCC journey.
Students also achieved a silver and a bronze medal in the US Kauai All India Karate Championship, which was held in Pachmadi on 13th and 14th of January.
The 23rd and 24th of January were memorable and joyous days for our youngest Josephites, nursery, KG1 and KG2. The little ones engaged in a delightful series of activities such as poetry, drawing, dance and speech competition. Their enthusiasm and energy made these days truly special.
Alongside these activities, our tiny toads took a step towards understanding patriotism, as they celebrated Republic Day with great zeal, instilling in them a sense of love and respect for their country from an early age.
Josephites celebrated the 76th Republic Day by hosting the flag and performing various cultural programs. A key highlight was a fancy dress competition where students dressed up as legendary freedom fighters, learning about their invaluable contribution to India's independence.
Adding to the celebration, an inter-house dance competition was also held, where students from each house presented a patriotic performance as a tribute to our country.
Blue House emerged victorious, securing first place, followed by Red House in second place and Green House in third place.
On Republic Day, Josephites proudly represented St. Joseph's School at RNA School, where they participated in the parade and gave a mesmerizing dance performance. In addition, our school prepared a beautifully decorated tableau dedicated to the champions of Paris Olympics 2024.
As proud citizens, Josephite paid a tribute to our great freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai on his birth anniversary, which was on 28 January.
Furthermore, 30th of January was observed as Shahid Divas, a significant occasion when we honored our brave soldiers who laid down their lives for our nation. It was a moment of deep gratitude and reflection.
To ensure students achieve their best in the upcoming board examinations, a PTM was conducted for classes 10 and 12 to review their pre-board results and discuss strategies for improvement.
With these remarkable events, the month of January came to a memorable close, leaving us with new opportunities, lessons, and goals to look forward to in the coming months.
This was the end of this month's highlights. We bid you goodbye for now, but stay tuned for much more to come in the next edition of Josephite News. Thank you.